Meet Mike, a new cat customer who just got his first piece of cat equipment, a medium wheel loader. It's helping him get the work done faster, and he plans to keep it that way. Mike's small business runs on hard work, so he recently found a way to simplify things. With the Cat Central app, he's got a treasure trove of cat knowledge and support at his fingertips. Now he feels like a connected man. Yep, he can stay connected with this easy way into the Cat digital ecosystem. Setting up his account in the Cat Central app was simple. A few clicks and he was in. Now, Mike uses the app as a single source of maintenance insights, factory fit parts, and expert support. He's got his cat equipment in there to speed up what he's got to get done as an owner-operator. No matter where Mike is, it connects him to what his equipment needs to help him stay ahead. Let's shine a light on what easy ownership looks like for Mike thanks to the Cat Central app. Mike has a lot on his plate when he steps onto a work site. The Cat Central app makes managing it easier with less stress and more confidence. For example, he knows which maintenance items to focus on right away, thanks to service recommendations delivered through the app. And with a few simple clicks, he's able to diagnose the issue and find tailored resources along with factory fit parts right in the palm of his hand. No more dragging out old manuals and digging through them. He's got quick, clickable access to equipment-specific operation and maintenance manuals right there in the app. And no more going to the dealership every time he needs a part either. Now it takes seconds to find what he needs to help maintain and repair his equipment. Mike can even use the operations and maintenance manuals in Cat Central to get equipment operation info and recommended maintenance schedules. And when he needs help with maintenance or repairs, he can request dealer service in Cat Central too. Nice. He's feeling pretty good about having more visibility into his equipment at a glance. He can monitor its health on the go by seamlessly accessing Visionaling insights in Cat Central. For his Visionaling subscribed equipment, he can quickly pull up fuel levels, equipment location, and health summaries right in the palm of his steady hand. The Cat Central app. Less stress, less downtime, one happy customer. And one more reason he's glad he bought a cat. Go on, Mike. There's no holding you back on your digital journey. Tap into the power of digital to simplify the physical. Whether you've got new or old cat equipment, download the Cat Central app to help your business today. Available on the App Store or Google Play.